With so many social media options available, why should you consider Twitter as a marketing option? I'll give you facts to help you decide. Welcome to another edition of Hospitality Property School. I am your instructor, Jerry McPherson. Using Twitter for marketing means you are able to contact your brand's biggest supporters directly, and they'll be able to contact you. This kind of communication can help bolster business for your property, spread the word about your deals, events, and things going on in and around your region, as well as collecting valuable feedback. If you are considering Twitter as part of your marketing strategy, here are a few interesting facts. 50 million tweets are sent each day. 326 million people use Twitter every month. 259 million of those 326 are international users. 9% more people are using Twitter on a daily basis. 80% of Twitter users are affluent millennials. People are 31% more likely to recall what they saw on Twitter. 75% of B2B businesses market on Twitter. Twitter ads are 11% more effective than TV ads during live events. 40% of users say they made a purchase because of an influencer's tweet. Brands tweeted an average of 122 times a month last year. Tweets with video attract 10 times as much engagement. Other reasons you may want to consider Twitter as a marketing tool. Communication. Twitter is an easy way to keep your followers up to date with current information about your hospitality property. It also lets your followers communicate with you. Generating leads. Tweeting about special offers or events can encourage your followers to find out more, potentially leading to bookings. Showing your brand's personality. Twitter is a chance to liven up your property's image. Tweeting about your brand, your people, and region's personality gives followers a sense of your hospitality as more than just a place to stay. Researching trends. Searching or following tweets can give you an idea of the trends and topics that Twitter users are interested in. Twitter can tell you the hot topics of the moment and allow you to see what Twitter users are saying about your property, your competitors, and your region. Seeking feedback. Many hospitality properties use Twitter to invite online feedback, reviews, or comments. This information is useful for properties who want to improve and also for potential guests doing research for their own booking purposes. Providing customer service. For Twitter-savvy customers, asking questions and getting service via Twitter is very convenient. Being a small business owner, it becomes immensely important for you to find which social media platform suits best for your business. Customer support channel. You can use Twitter to monitor when people are talking about your brand online, and in case you come across negative reactions or comments from customers, you can resolve them quickly so the situation doesn't get out of control. Moreover, you can interact with your customers to discover what they expect or think about your product that would help you develop a better marketing strategy and provides inputs to improve your product or services. After the break from our sponsor, I will discuss if Twitter is useful for an independent hospitality property. Do you have an independent hospitality property, a hotel, resort, inn, or bed and breakfast, and at times feel overwhelmed with all you have to do? Do you find yourself doing everything from checking guests in, to marketing, to looking for the right people to work for you, to cleaning toilets and everything in between? What happens when things become hectic? Do you feel stressed? Do you find it difficult to plan for the future when your only concern is how to get the rooms ready for the new arrivals? So what can you do? You have to get organized. You have to learn the strategies that'll make you more effective. Wouldn't it be great to learn the techniques the big brand hospitality properties use and to work like you have a full organizational structure supporting you? If the answer is yes, your next question might be, how do I do this? Well, if you can make the time and have the extra funds, many universities and colleges offer hospitality training programs. Or you can learn from those who've gone through all your problems and see how they have streamlined their business. You can do this by becoming a member of the Hospitality Property School Group. The benefits of this group include helping your hospitality property to gain a clear vision, help set up your organizational structure, help set up your brand, help your social media strategy, help create an atmosphere to hire the right employees, help grow your business. The Hospitality Property School Group is designed to share knowledge, tips, and techniques to like-minded hospitality property owners and managers who might not have the benefit of having an entire organization to support them. If you are looking for ways to streamline your business, learn how to set up an organizational strategy, to hire and keep the right employees, and to increase your bookings and profit, then visit KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site and explore the Hospitality Property Group for an entire week for only $1. We guarantee you'll find tips and techniques that you can begin using right away to help start improving your bookings and profit. But don't just take my word for it. Explore yourself for an entire week for only $1. That's KeystoneHospitalityDevelopment.com/membership-site. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Before the break, I said I would discuss if Twitter is useful for an independent hospitality property. With more than 3 million active users, it's a great platform for businesses to reach and connect with a new audience. Another reason that encourages small businesses to promote their product or services on Twitter is that it costs very little to promote a product on this platform. Therefore, small businesses should definitely explore Twitter to promote their products. What are the goals of Twitter marketing? Before you proceed ahead with marketing your property on Twitter, you must decide what the goals are you want to achieve. The common Twitter goals are generate leads and sales, increase brand awareness, customer support channel. Determining Twitter marketing goal for your property would help you evaluate your performance on this platform. So it is immensely important that you decide on your goals. More about Twitter. 1. Twitter marketing is the social currency. What is social currency? It's the knowledge that people have that they share with others that makes them seem more interesting. 2. It is open. Twitter's aim as a social network has always been to promote open communication and easy access to connect with fellow community members present on the social network. This is a goldmine of customer insight. With the ability to see open conversations, you can find your potential customers that might book your property as well as help others. Using Twitter for Business helps you in finding the pain points that your customers have and then pitching them accordingly. To help you save time and optimize this process, you could use Twitter-based tools like StatusBrew, Hootsuite, Sprout Social, TweetDeck. 3. Two-way communication for your Twitter followers. Like any other social network, Twitter provides two-way communication. So with everything you post on Twitter, your audience is bound to have a reaction to it, and they'll let you know about it in the replies. 4. Conversation on Twitter is in real time. Just like talking to your friends on your cell phone, Twitter lets you have an open conversation with your prospects and leads. Instead of exchanging emails with your customers over weeks, Twitter allows you to talk to your customers in real time and interact with them then and there. 5. Identifying and targeting customers is easy. Because of the openness of Twitter, customer identification and targeting is extremely easy. You have everything at the ready: interests of the people, their websites, their profile bios. It helps you develop context before approaching or even targeting your customers. 6. To drive traffic to your website. 47% of the people that visit a Twitter profile also visit the website linked to that profile. 7. It is one of the best platforms for customer support. Because everything on Twitter happens in real time, having your presence there is a great asset in terms of handling customer support. You can considerably cut down your response time for your customers who are facing any issues. 8. It is heaven for marketers. Twitter has an abundance of data about customers, which your marketing team can easily access and capitalize on. It can be a great asset in making targeted ads for different objectives. 9. Expanding your market reach is easy. With every new product that you release, you have a new set of customers that will use it, and you can find those customers on Twitter. And the best thing is, you can connect with them without having to wait for them to find you. With posting good content continuously, you can increase the reach of your content, which gets more eyes on your content who you can convert to loyal customers and evangelists for your business. What do you need to know when setting up Twitter for business? There are 6 parts to a Twitter profile: a Twitter handle, a username, profile picture, bio, header image, and pinned tweet. All these elements should work cohesively to create an accurate representation of your business. Your Twitter handle is your @name and is your identifier on Twitter. It can easily have up to 15 characters and should help people find your business easily. Your profile photo should visually represent your business and brand. Your profile photo is displayed in your profile and in every tweet you post. For your bio, you should have 160 characters to describe your business. Include information such as your location, business hours, and a link to your website. The header image behind your profile picture can be used to highlight promotions, events, or news about your property. Lastly, your pinned tweet is the first tweet people will see when they visit your profile. You can change the pinned tweet whenever you want. If you would like your own copy of Twitter for Your Hospitality Property download, including a list of Twitter terminology, visit the show notes at keystonehospitalitydevelopment.com/KHDC137. Now, how to put Twitter to work for your property. Social media holds value for businesses of any size. It spans multiple demographics and spreads your company's message. As a business owner, you should carefully consider how Twitter will fit into your overall marketing plan. 1. Use hashtags. Hashtags give users a chance to tag an identifying word or phrase that groups of hundreds or thousands of tweets together. They are searchable and offer a perfect companion for live events. Hashtags are a great way to increase visibility for your content beyond your own followers. 2. Handle problems through direct messages. Direct messages have evolved over the years, especially for brands. The way you interact with clients is important for troubleshooting issues and handling problems. It's smart to handle customers through DMs for a couple of reasons. First, you don't want other users to see the problem and think less of your property. Also, there's no character limit on DMs, which gives you the freedom to properly help customers without being limited to a certain number of characters. 3. Use photos, GIFs, and polls. Twitter allows users to add up to 4 photos to posts. You can also create graphics to add to your tweets. Not a Photoshop whiz? There are a number of tools online to help you create the images you need. Using photos and GIFs with your tweets is a great way to connect with followers. Twitter has a built-in GIF keyboard. Search the keyword and choose the clip that best suits your tweet. 4. Live tweet. Live tweeting is another way to get a topic trending on Twitter. Essentially, live tweeting is when a user tweets his or her reactions to a live event as it is happening, whether it is breaking news or entertainment related. When brands throw events, they want their attendees to live tweet while they're there. The brand often creates its own individual hashtag to use and shares with the invitee list so others can follow. 5. Participate in Twitter chats. Another way to engage followers or to get a topic trending is by hosting a Twitter chat. Twitter chats are straightforward, but they require a relatively large and active follower base to be successful. A Twitter chat happens when several Twitter users discuss a specific topic simultaneously using a shared hashtag. 6. Interact with influencers and customers. It's important to interact with the right people on Twitter. It's also smart to engage with your customers to keep them happy and potential customers to help them learn more about your business. Perhaps there are others, such as journalists or influencers, you want to focus on too. An easy way to do that is with Twitter lists. 7. Advertise on Twitter. Using Twitter is free, but if you'd like to pay to promote your account on the platform, there are plenty of advertising options at your disposal. Promoted tweets, promoted accounts, promoted trends, Twitter Amplify, promoted video, mobile app promotion. Is this making sense so far? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Twitter tips and tricks. Don't buy followers. You can purchase followers from certain services to beef up your follower count. While it may be tempting to make it look like you have more followers than you actually do, it's not worth it. Go mobile. The Twitter mobile apps are incredibly well integrated with the web platform, so the transition from tweeting from your computer to tweeting from your smartphone or tablet is almost seamless. Add a Twitter widget to your website. Show everyone who visits your website that you're active on social media by embedding a Twitter widget on your page. Embed tweets on your blog. If your brand's website is an active blog, embedding tweets can showcase any fun tweets you shared or tweets from your loyal followers. Here are some things to think about when tweeting. Don't be afraid to say, "I'm sorry." Show you are people behind your brand. Write a tweet as if writing a headline for a print ad. Follow anyone who follows you. Have fun with your followers. Follow the 80-20 rule on Twitter. 80% of your tweets should be things that will help or add value to your followers. 20% can be about you, your property, or links to your blog. Use retweets. Use offers and contests to propel excitement about your brand and your property. Figure out what your audience wants to hear about and tweet it. Learn to use lists and searches. Don't take yourself too seriously on Twitter. Enjoy the positive comments and welcome the negative ones. Ask questions. Don't just push, communicate. Consider joining Twitter chats using hashtags and then starting and hosting your own Twitter chats on a regular basis. A few Twitter basics you should consider. Know the difference between posting and spamming. Be clear on what you are promoting. Communicate with others to convey professionalism. Learn how to participate with the community. Learn how to make the most of your account and profile. Avoid over-promoting. Follow and use relevant tweets. In conclusion, there are many social media options available, but if time allows, you should consider using Twitter as a marketing option. Using Twitter for marketing means you'll be able to contact your property's biggest supporters directly, and they will be able to contact you. If you're ready to benefit from Twitter and want to ensure success, you can improve your skills by checking out the marketing section of the Guide to Operating an Independent Hotel or Bed and Breakfast training tutorials, and get access to the Tweet Success Guide. If you would like to learn more tips and techniques for operating a hospitality property, I highly recommend you join our 6-day challenge. Whether you are operating a 1-room bed and breakfast or a 500-room luxury hotel, there's always something new you can learn, and this 6-day challenge will take you step by step through the process of operating a successful hospitality property, and it's 100% free. You can sign up below. Now, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below your thoughts and if you're going to implement any of these procedures. You can support this free podcast by leaving us a review and giving us a 5-star rating on Apple Podcasts or wherever you happen to be listening to it. Every review helps more people find the podcast at no cost to you. If you know someone who might benefit from this video, please feel free to share it and make sure to hit that like button. I appreciate the feedback. Be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for your attention, and let's continue to work together to put heads in your beds. Until next time, have a fun day. We will see you next time, right here in Hospitality Property School.